Welcome to our health and fitness channel. Today we are diving into the top 11 superfoods for bulking. Whether you are a beginner or a seasoned gym enthusiast, this video will guide you through the best foods to add to your diet for optimal muscle growth. Bulking is the process of gaining weight, preferably muscle mass, through a combination of exercise and nutrition. It requires consuming more calories than you burn. Let us explore how the right foods can help you in this journey. Superfood number 1. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is a high-quality protein source, crucial for muscle repair and growth. It's low in fat, making it ideal for lean muscle gain. Additionally, chicken breast contains B vitamins, particularly vitamin B6, which plays a role in energy production, a key factor for sustaining workouts. It's also versatile and easy to prepare, fitting into many meal plans. Consuming chicken breast post-workout can aid in quick muscle recovery. Superfood number 2. Eggs. Eggs are considered a complete protein, meaning they provide all 9 essential amino acids necessary for muscle building. They also contain healthy fats, which are important for hormonal health and energy. The yolk is rich in vitamins and minerals, including vitamin B12, which is essential for blood and nerve health. Eggs are also a source of choline, which supports metabolism. Their protein and fat content make them satisfying, helping to maintain energy levels for longer periods. Superfood number 3. Quinoa. Quinoa is a plant-based source of complete protein, making it particularly valuable for vegetarians and vegans. It is also a good source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy for workouts. Rich in fiber, quinoa aids in digestion and helps maintain a healthy gut. It contains essential minerals like magnesium and iron, which are important for muscle function and oxygen transport. Quinoa's balance of protein, carbs, and fiber makes it an excellent food for bulking. Superfood number 4. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, particularly casein, a slow-digesting protein that ensures a steady supply of amino acids to muscles, which is essential for growth and repair. It's also a good source of calcium, necessary for strong bones. The presence of probiotics in Greek yogurt supports gut health. Its versatility makes it easy to include in different meals. Greek yogurt can also aid in muscle recovery when consumed post-workout. Superfood number 5. Salmon. Salmon is rich in high-quality protein, essential for muscle building. It is also a major source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known for their anti-inflammatory properties, aiding in muscle recovery and overall health. Omega-3s also support heart and brain health. The vitamins in salmon, like B12 and D, are crucial for energy and bone health. Incorporating salmon into a bulking diet can provide not just muscle-building protein, but also essential fats. Superfood number 6. Lean beef. Lean beef is an excellent source of high-quality protein, vital for muscle mass gain. It contains creatine, which can improve strength and muscle mass. Beef is rich in iron, which helps in transporting oxygen to muscles, crucial during workouts. It's also a good source of B vitamins, particularly B12, which is essential for energy production. Lean beef can be a key component of a muscle-building diet due to its nutrient density. Superfood number 7. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is primarily known for its high casein protein content, which is slow digesting, making it ideal for muscle maintenance, especially overnight. It's low in fat and high in calcium, supporting bone health. The protein in cottage cheese aids in muscle recovery and growth. It's also a good source of B vitamins, particularly B12, aiding in energy metabolism. Cottage cheese can be easily included in a diet as a snack or part of a meal. Superfood number 8. Oats. Oats are a great source of complex carbohydrates, providing sustained energy needed for intense workouts. They contain a good amount of protein compared to other grains. Rich in fiber, oats aid in digestion and help maintain a healthy gut. They also contain important vitamins and minerals like B vitamins, iron, and magnesium. Oats are versatile and can be prepared in various ways, making them an easy addition to a bulking diet. Superfood number 9. Nuts and seeds. Nuts and seeds are calorie-dense, making them ideal for adding extra calories needed for weight gain. They provide healthy fats, which are essential for hormonal balance and overall health. Nuts and seeds are also good sources of protein and fiber, aiding in muscle growth and digestive health. They contain important vitamins and minerals such as magnesium and vitamin E. Their portability makes them an easy, nutritious snack for bulking. Superfood number 10. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are rich in complex carbohydrates, providing a steady source of energy for workouts. They are also high in fiber, aiding in digestion and sustained energy levels. Rich in vitamins, particularly vitamin A and C, sweet potatoes support immune health and recovery. Their low glycemic index ensures a steady release of energy. Sweet potatoes can be a nutritious carb source for those looking to bulk up. Superfood number 11. Brown rice. Brown rice provides long-lasting energy due to its complex carbohydrate content. It is a good source of fiber, which helps in maintaining a healthy digestive system. Brown rice contains some protein and is rich in essential minerals like magnesium. Its low glycemic index means it helps in maintaining stable energy levels. Brown rice can be easily incorporated into meals, making it a staple for those on a bulking diet. Incorporating these foods into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise, can effectively support the goal of bulking up and gaining muscular mass. Remember, bulking is not just about eating more, it's about eating right. Include these superfoods in your diet to see significant improvements in your muscle building journey. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe for more health and fitness content. Also, check out our website and social media for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. Stay strong, eat well, and keep pushing your limits. See you in the next video.